Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the favorite movie of ours.
Yes, and this one is Drishyam.
But actually
Malayalam
we have seen in Hindi,
Hindi.
version. Hindi they have remake that one.
Remake that one. We have, frankly speaking, we have seen Drishyam Hindi,
Hindi,
movie, which is actually having
Ajay
Ajay Devgan sir. Okay, but today, like we are giving reaction on Drishyam Malayalam movie official trailer,
And this
which
movie
is
has
having
completed,
Mohanlal sir.
Yes, and this
is
movie
the
has
original.
completed 7 years.
7 years, which is a great thing, and Drishyam is a super duper blockbuster movie, I think, both in Hindi and in Malayalam. So yes, we are very much excited, to see the trailer, original trailer, and then after that we'll be seeing the original movie.
Yes.
Okay, so we have decided that. So let's get started. We know all of the context, so it will be very easy for us to judge or
So
tell much more about that.
Yes, we can tell much more about that.
Yeah,
Yes, right.
so let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो झट से शुरू करते हैं. Okay.
നാലാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ജയിച്ച എന്നെ 10ാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തോറ്റ നീ കളിയാക്കും.
അച്ഛാ, നമ്മൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും അമേരിക്കയ്ക്ക് പോകുമോ?
ഈ വയസ്സെടുത്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് എന്തിന്റെ കേടാ?
ആരോ എനിക്ക് വയസ്സായെന്ന് മനസ്സിലിപ്പോഴും ഞാനൊരു മധുര 17 ഒരു പെൺകുട്ടി കല്യാണം കഴിച്ച് ഭാര്യ അമ്മയായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ അവളുടെ ജീവിതം വീടിനകത്താണ്.
എന്റെ ജോർജ് കുട്ടി, നാട് ഓടുമ്പോ നടുവേ ഓടണം.
ബുദ്ധിയുള്ളവർക്ക് പേപ്പർ വായിക്കണ്ട. ഭയവും ടെൻഷനും നമ്മളെ അപകടത്തിൽ കൊണ്ടെത്തിക്കും.
No, so
So wow, I think this original content is having much more visualization, good visualization effect,
Yes,
rather than
I
the Hindi movie, because original is always having its own flavor.
Yes.
Okay,
and I think
and
both have done great justice to their character.
To their character.
Ajay Devgan
Very
sir
true.
and Mohanlal sir both have done a great thing.
great thing, great. Yes. So it is similar only.
Yes.
What we
The
have
story
seen,
wise is similar,
the
yes.
story wise, the picturization, whatever we have seen, they have completely remade the Bollywood. They have completely remade from this original movie. So yeah, but what I am telling is this original movie is having a lot more, what I can say, like picturization is much more better. What I can understand, and the visualization, like the way the camera is, moving, it is much more better than the Hindi version, which we have seen. Because obviously this is remade, and the original is like original only.
Yes, of course.
So
and I can think that I can sense that humor perspective, if you see, Mohanlal sir can do much better humor
better
than
humor than
Ajay
Ajay Devgan sir. Ajay Devgan sir is very serious actor.
Serious actor. He can do any
he
kind
can
of
do any
serious
kind of
actor.
serious
So
role.
whenever there was a point of like a seriousness coming in this movie, at that time Ajay Devgan sir rocked it.
Rocked
And
it, yes.
coming back to the movie, its picturization was super.
Superb.
Storyline, if you say, I don't need
Similar
to say
only,
anything, but yes,
हाँ.
it's a completely
Completely,
similar,
हाँ.
and it's a superb storyline.
Storyline is very unique. Drishyam का जो storyline है,
I
it
think
is
the storyline-
outstanding storyline.
Right, perfectly. And the storyline is like that if it doesn't need to be have some big character also.
Character also,
If,
हाँ.
if there is some new faces also,
They
then
also can rock.
Then also this kind of movie will have a
Will
great
have its
impact.
great impact. Very true, and I think Mohanlal sir is a great match for this movie,
Yes, of
because
course. A
Drishyam,
father role.
matlab, father role, and also his eye expression is like superb. He's a very well expression king. We all know that Mohanlal sir is the big name, and because it is Drishyam, like everything is like visualization, everything is, you know, thinking perspective and through eyes. So this is, I think Mohanlal sir is the better, like best choice.
And also
for
he's acting as a
this
father
movie.
role,
हाँ.
so little bit aged kind
Aged
of people
also,
also
हाँ.
need to be there.
Even Ajay Devgan sir was also a great match for Hindi version. But yeah, you are completely right that for the humor perspective, I think he is much more better, Mohanlal sir. And also, like, we are not judging. If you want to see the, you know, comparison video of Drishyam Malayalam and Drishyam Hindi, we can definitely give the reaction for you guys. Just let us know in the comment section. So let's talk about more on the, you know, this
Particular
this
yes.
official trailer.
So let's start with the picturization.
Picturization
How you
is
think
born.
that picturization?
It is outstanding. The movie has got released, I think, in 2013, but it is not looking like that
course.
old movie. The picturization is bomb. The execution, like the well sync of each and every scenes are like brilliantly done. This movie is having that the particularly Drishyam movie is having like past time, then present time, then again past time, present time. To think about that, all of these things, the execution is marvelous. What we can understand here in the trailer.
And the storyline also mind-storming, you can say.
Baap re baap. Storyline. When I
Nobody
first saw the
can judge
movie,
it.
I was like, oh my god, like who has written that storyline?
Actually, first time you were not ready to watch this movie.
I was not ready to watch that movie because I thought, okay, this is a very slow kind of categorized movie, and that time I was not having that much, you know, knowledge about theaters, movies and all. I was, you know, more into songs and dikchak kind of movie. So I thought, okay, this is must be a very slow movie. But when I saw the movie, I was mesmerized, and I am, you know, can't wait myself to see the Malayalam movie now. Okay, I very soon will be doing that. Very soon we'll be seeing this movie, Drishyam Malayalam original. I think Tamil में भी है क्या ये movie का demand?
I'm not sure.
Because
Our
I think
audience might tell.
Vikram sir, I think have done what I can understand. I may be wrong. Please let us know in Tamil. Is there any, you know, Drishyam version or not? Because
So
this
I think this
movie
movie is super. They should make everywhere.
should make everywhere. Yes, that's what actually.
And in this movie also villain role, I think whatever in the Hindi version, who was that lady?
Tabbu.
Tabbu, right? Perfectly.
Not
Tabbu.
villain. She is the police officer.
But her character is negative
Role only.
So
and
her,
here the police officer is that lady where this Durga Bhagamati का जो police officer थी वही है ना? She is very powerful actress, by the way. I
so both
can't recall her name,
both
but
character suits
very well.
Her voice and all we have seen in Hindi dubbed, so we didn't recognize that one. But yes, she is also a powerful lady. And
So
especially for that character, it much needed to have a powerful lady.
हाँ, for that character.
Yes.
हाँ, police officer, बहुत high post का police officer.
High post,
right? High post,
angry kind of and thinking about herself only.
Her child. Yeah, everything is like matter about her only, herself only. So this is, and Mohanlal sir is a simple fourth grade passed person who is having its own his own cable,
8th or 9th fail or something
like that. हाँ, cable है, अपना own cable channel है, and he is like earning from that only. But he is very straightforward, very, you know, helping nature kind of person. We have seen in the movie, right? He is helping his neighbors also, and his knowledge is very much sharp. He has gained knowledge just to see various types of movies. Okay,
exactly.
because he is having that cable connection.
That changes perspective of everybody. Like
his life has got changed because of that habit.
And actually, for real man also, it will change the perspective. People they started watching a lot of the movies also. So from the movie they will gain a lot of the things. So
the storyline is very unique, you know, like the way it is executed, it is like marvelous. We cannot even pretend think like what will be happened at the very end. The ending is the twist. Okay, this movie, so this is outstandingly done, man. It is superb. So
and I think
we really enjoyed the trailer.
Scenic beauty is showing in this trailer. I think this might be of Munnar or something, right?
मुन्नार केरला का ही कोई जगह होगा. और हिंदी में दिखाया था गोवा, पानाजी. 2nd October को गए थे, 3rd October को वापस आए.
I'm not sure that is same there.
I am very much eager to see that part. That is why I am telling that comparison. If you want to see, definitely let us know. That will be much more fun, I think. हम बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं, right? So yes, that is it for today's video, and it is a 10 on 10.
Of course, this movie is epic movie.
No doubt, epic movie always deserves extra, and
Yes.
10 on 10. Okay.
And Mohanlal sir is there,
Mohanlal
so no
sir.
doubt about the acting. And all.
Acting. And yeah, one more thing, that it completed 7 years. So congratulations to all of the Drishyam
And still everybody
team.
loves this. After
Ha,
7
everybody.
years also, their fan base never reduced.
Never reduced, yes. So many congratulations to all of the Drishyam team members. You have done superb job, and ye movie और चलेगी.
Yes.
Definitely. So yeah.
We can. We are waiting for part 2. If it comes like that with some different kind of
we have heard
concept.
ना कि दृश्यम 2 का
Yes,
part 2
Drishyam
चल
2
रहा
we have
था.
heard,
So we
but
have
not
heard
sure.
actually, but we have not, that didn't get released yet.
Yes.
So let's see. That would be much more fun for us, for
Yes.
like all of the normal audiences actually. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Sagar Ghatke, and he's commenting on Allu Arjun boardroom's dance scene reaction video, and he's commenting Allu Arjun Evolution 2001 to 2020 video ka reaction karo please, and he has given the video link also as well.
Okay.
So yes, definitely we'll be doing.
Some
And
more evaluation we have
we
done,
have
but
done
not
one
sure
evaluation.
it was that on or not.
Or
We will
not.
check it again.
So we have done evolution video of Allu Arjun sir already. You can definitely check that out, and we have to see whether this one and that one is similar or not.
Yes.
If similar, then we are good to go. You can definitely see our reaction already, or else we can give the reaction on evolution scenes, because we really enjoy this kind of evolution.
Yes.
We have done Pravas sir ka also.
Yes, and
we have done
this-
Hrithik Roshan sir ka also.
Yes, exactly.
Right?
And we have also lot more to do.
Lot more to do actually. So yeah, thank you Sagar for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Irfan Serif, and he is writing his comment on Master official teaser Telugu version reaction, and he is saying, why are you guys reacting on the same teaser? It's just a dubbed version with same teaser cut right. So exactly.
It is the same teaser.
That's the question with a lot of the people. So
Yeah.
it's a matter of that people from other state also, they are also asking to give our reaction on this particular person where they are able to understand their language.
Their language.
Yes,
And
so-
there are lot of Talapati Vijay fans are there in Andhra Pradesh, in
Yes.
Telugu. So they have personally requested at so many times, and even not personally in YouTube comment section also they have requested
Right.
so many times.
And
So
exactly,
that is why
they
we
want
thought
to they want
why
to see the reaction on their own language.
own
So-
language. So
so
that
it's,
is why, though we are speaking in English, but yeah,
But
I
yes.
think to hear their own language,
But,
to they are getting some some emotion. I think that is why we don't
Yes,
want to
exactly. If
ruin
Hindi,
anyone's
if Hindi
emotions.
person will also realize, we are going to give our
हाँ,
reaction
हम
because
हिंदी
we
में
will
बात
love
करेंगे.
it.
We will love it. So that is why it is point to point of
And also-
their emotions.
And
you
also
can
it's a
tell.
master teacher, man. We can watch anytime, every time
Say,
in any language.
Seriously. So yeah, thank you so much Irfan for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Spidey Forever, and he's commenting Master is coming on Sankranti 2021 and Hindi dubbed May.
Okay. So
That is the
Great news for us.
best great news for us.
and I think
And,
this will be the first movie we are going to watch in 2021.
in 2021, yeah,
Yes.
that is true, but not sure like whether in theater or in home.
Yes.
Because
That is a
that is a
challenging.
uncertain thing. But yeah, हिंदी में आएगी तो बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है. हम पूरा enjoy करेंगे, and definitely we are going to watch in Tamil also, but previously like beforehand we have to watch in Hindi so that we can understand the
Understand the
context.
context, full
After that we will be seeing in Tamil, because we can't miss Vijay sir's voice
Yeah.
and his expression,
Right,
everything,
of
right?
course.
Original, everything. Like original का तो अलग ही बात होती है, we know that, but what to do?
Yes. But if it will be a surprise for us that Hindi dub version is also Vijay sir's voice, then it will be a, like Sone Pe Suhaga.
सोने पे सुहागा. बट ये मुझे नहीं लगता ये
It's a
होगा.
very
इट्स
less,
लेस चांसेस
probability.
है.
Yes.
मुझे नहीं लगता, तो देखते हैं.
Let's
तो
see.
थैंक यू सो मच स्पाइडी की नाम Spidey Forever. So thank you so much Spidey Forever for commenting and for watching our video. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone, whoever have commented, whoever subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.